Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to convert Word file into PDF file. So let's get started. First you should open your Word document. For example, I have just a minute. Okay, I am going to create a Word file. As you can see here, I will generate random text. Okay, this is, for example, this is my Word file, and I want to convert into PDF file. How we can do that? So it's very easy and simple. You can save, click here, and here you should type the name, for example, convert Word file into PDF file. This is the name, and where you want to save, you can choose the location. And here, file format, you can choose not Word, PDF. See, I have chosen the PDF format, and now you can export. Click here, and let's see on my desktop. See, as you can see here, I have PDF file, convert file into PDF. Just a minute, I'm going to open this. See, this is the PDF file. So the conversion is successfully and yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel, and yeah, we will see each other in the next video.